Looking for bathtub installation and replacement in Ardrossan? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how important it is to have a reliable, fast solution for your bathroom needs. Our bathtub installation and replacement services help homeowners update their bathrooms with ease. Whether you're replacing a worn-out tub or transforming your space with a new installation, our team ensures quality and precision every time. You'll enjoy a sleek, functional bathtub designed to fit your style and budget. In Ardrossan, where homes vary in age and style, our experts provide customized solutions to meet your unique needs. We focus on seamless installations and efficient replacements so you can enjoy a new bathtub without the stress. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for bathtub installation and replacement in Ardrossan. Or contact us today to get started on your bathroom upgrade.